Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So SHIB is really amazing in all aspect right now. And what SHIB has done the past week, the closing of SHIB is amazing. Everything about SHIB right now is positive, right? Very, very positive. And if you like what you're hearing again, like the video, because Adam is still gonna kill the zero, man. I'm not joking around. You guys think that this guy is crazy. Oh, he's just an Asian dude who says he's gonna kill the zero. You know? You guys come and make fun of me with that Indian accent as well. He's just going to kill the zero. Yeah? Dude, I'm gonna kill the zero. Doesn't really matter if you make fun of me in an Italian accent. Okay? If I wasn't an Italian, how would I say this? Hey, señorita, I'm gonna kill the zero. Right? Adam is gonna kill the zero. But before we talk about what SHIB is happening, I want to give you a concept of accumulation. Okay, and in accumulation, what happens is that prices are being bought low, and big investors, they come in and they start to shop, I may say, in discount, if that makes it easy. So you have a discount, and this is where the big investors will start to get into the market and eventually push it up. And this here, the break here, isn't that the same that SHIB did right now? But the thing is that when you look at the break, and I'm now confused if you are at a throwback. Probably this is a throwback. And let me just turn off my alarm here because this is also another throwback. Okay, so we're done with the throwbacks. And so throwback here, probably SHIB is in a throwback. And if it's not in a throwback, then possibly it's in a reaccumulation right here. So I'm just confused a little bit if it's just a throwback, because what we saw is this candle, right? You saw a candle, maybe that's a throwback, or perhaps it's a reaccumulation, or whatever this is. So I don't really see if it's really a reaccumulation. If it's a reaccumulation, then it's going to be a little bit longer, probably maybe until May, because it takes a while to accumulate something, which is also a good thing, because what happens after reaccumulation is still another leg push to the upside. Even better is that what happens after the throwback is still another push to the upside, because what you're now printing in is an uptrend, because we have broken the downtrend completely. This was broken, sideways movement, move up. Even if you move down like this, you are creating a new uptrend to go back and probably take the all-time high, and finally I'm gonna kill the zero. Okay, so accumulation zones, Pepe did it, ICP, Bonk, Dogecoin, SHIB itself, and there's this one coin, mysterious one, that I'm giving you away for totally free, which I think is the one that has not moved in the bear market, and it's better than SHIB in terms of project, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna tell you for free, go down to Discord, click on it, and click on announcements, and click my name and message me the word coin. Speaking of SHIB now, let's get into the 4-hour time frame, and let me show you what's up. So previously I showed you that SHIB did break out. It made a very weak break, but yes, the break is still good. So a resistance there, and you can see that the break happened. The retest also seems to be successful. So you had your break to the upside. Here's your retest. So it could be possibly very safe to say that coming to 2298 can actually, and closing below it, can open the door for 1726, and then maybe start to pump from 1736. I will still be bullish nonetheless. And Dogecoin also is making a push up. So when Doge makes a push up, I do expect SHIB to follow the same footsteps. And that's all for the update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.